Applicant AW3654CE, please introduce yourself.
My name is Lynette Caballero. I'm 29 years old, married with 2 children, 13 and 8 years old, from Cebu, Philippines. I'm high school graduate. I'm Roman Catholic. I have 2 years work experience in the Philippines as a local housemaid. I serve 4 members of their family, 2 adult and 1-month-old baby and 5 years old of child.
You mentioned you work as a local housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. So tell me about your duties and responsibilities in your previous job.
My main duty is taking care of baby and child. I also do house cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Okay, very good. So can you tell us how you'll take care of the baby and the child?
I give them milk, vitamins, nutritious food, full care and time attention.
Okay, very good. So what are some of your skills?
Cooking.
You said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
No, but I'm willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food.
Okay, very good. So what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Okay, nice to hear. So anything else you want to tell for your future employer?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me because I assure you that I am hardworking, responsible, and trustworthy. I take care of your child as my own. Thank you. God bless and see you.